Welcome back to the channel. Time flies by and I didn't even notice that it was time to change the wipers and microphone batteries. I visited a nearby auto parts store and purchased Bosch windshield wipers. You can find all the specification in the video description. As you can see, the rear wiper is a little bit longer than original. Now I will try to replace it. A few weeks ago I had a car accident while parking, during which I accidentally damaged one of the attachment points of the wiper. But it had no effect and I still managed to put in a new wiper. As for the front wipers, one set has both right and left side wipers. On the other hand, the instructions on the box were unclear and I wasted more time than I expected. And only after I installed wipers, I found a good video that clearly shows how to install them. I will add the video link in description. And so autumn came, the time of rain and darkness.